What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today we want to learn how to make this like circle magnify effect inside of Premiere Pro with black and white footage. It's kind of like a pretty clip, I don't know, kind of cool on TikTok or Instagram, more artsy. So let's do it. So I have 3 clips here inside of Premiere Pro. They've been already scaled and organized on the screen. I did this manually, but if you want a really fast way to do this, you can check out our tool called Grid Maker on filmit.io. Ask about it in the comments and I'll send you a link. Just type grid, which will automatically, organize it on the screen like this instead of you having to scale it. You can still do it manually, but now we want to move on from this. So we have our footages here. They're all stacked. What we want to do is hit Alt on our keyboard and drag the layer up. This is our top layer, which is this guy at the very top. This is our bottom layer, which is at the bottom. This is our bottom layer. This is our bottom footage, which is at the top of our layers, oddly enough. And we wanted to go ahead and do that circle effect. So let's type Magnify. Magnify does this little effect here where it puts a little circle on the screen. You can't see it quite yet because it's not been affected yet. Let's go to Effect Controls. Let's do the size right here. Let's go ahead and scale it up to like 700. 850. Perfect. It looks like so. Now from here you want to change the blending mode. You can do different colors. I mean, this changes everything, which is kind of interesting. But in our case, we want to do none. Which basically what that does is if we move the footage down, it changes it to none. There's nothing behind it. It does a perfect little circle for us, which is kind of similar to crop and whatnot. But we wanted it to also zoom in, which is what it's doing. From here, we take the next layer below it, which is the original footage. We go to a Lumetri Color panel right here, take the saturation down to 0. Now, if you repeat the process across all your different pieces of footage right here, it eventually looks like this, where I've went in and selected everything and made this little comp like so. If you think this is cool, yeah, this is just kind of a cool effect, whatever. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.